Okay, this is part 2. And I want to show you that this is actually in 1080p. Decided to do this in high resolution for you guys so you could see what I did, how I did it. So I'm going to come down here on the floor, and up under here in the corner I drilled a hole through my desk. Make sure it stays in focus here so you can see. And there's the controller. Try to get in a little closer. This operates on 12 volts, which I have go around. And there's a power supply right there. And it gets plugged in. So my wiring for my other computer that's here. Battery backup. So anyway, this is how I get it through. So I drilled the hole, and then the part that the lights plug into is right there. Hopefully you can see it. And that just goes straight down the doohickey, as you could see. Right down the whole channel there. And I hot glued it because it is double-sided tape type of thing, but they do come down a little bit, as you can probably see one right here. And what's really cool about these things is you can simply cut them with a scissor. Here's the other connection. I had to these are just LAN cables, and I cut the wires out and I soldered them to each little tab. I just hot glued that. It looks like crap, I know, but I just hot glued it so it wouldn't come down in the corners. And very difficult to solder those connections because they're so tiny. See if I have another one without. So as you can see, it just goes straight down. And this one came with a, after I cut the other one, this one came with a converter. So I could simply just connect that one with the wire and then just jump to another strip. I actually ran out, I needed to go to another strip. And this goes down the rest of the way. Hot glued as well. And then there's the accent lighting. That's how it's done. It's really, I hot glued every possible area that I could, and I think that would, you know, this whole area here, you could see the shininess. Oh, I'm trying to get it in focus for you. The shininess of the glue, so it wouldn't fall down. And just in the key area, so I know I wouldn't. So here, green. Blue. I like to lower the brightness. So anyway, oh, yeah, and there's the radio. So anyway, guys, this is not a kind of sort of a small how-to on how to do strip lighting. Take care.